Feeling invisible online, like your voice is getting lost in the scroll? Friend, your personal brand might be the missing piece. You've been posting, sharing, trying your best, but the engagement isn't there. And honestly, you're starting to wonder if people even see you. I get it. And today we're going to fix that. Hey, I'm Rudy, business catalyst and founder of Reemerging Spirit Life Warrior. I help single moms just like you build businesses rooted in purpose, passion, and freedom. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 powerful steps to build your personal brand with authenticity, clarity, and even if you're just starting out. Before we dive in, I want you to grab my free 10-day mindset reset. It's a simple guide packed with powerful mindset shifts to help you show up boldly as the woman God designed you to be. It's linked down below and totally free for you. All right, let's start with clarity. Because if you're talking to everyone, you're reaching no one. Tip number 1, define your audience. Who do you serve? What transformation do you help them create? Get laser focused. Don't just say women, say single moms who are ready to take control of their finances. Boom, that's power. Tip 2, know your core values. Your brand should reflect what you stand for. Maybe it's faith, freedom, and fun, or truth, impact, and resilience. These values will guide your content, your offers, and your community. Tip 3, craft your simple brand message. Mine is helping single moms rise and thrive through businesses. What's yours? Short, sweet, and soul aligned. Next, let's talk authenticity. This is where your light really shines. Tip number 1, share your story, the mess, the lessons, the miracles. Your story is your superpower. People will relate to what you've walked through, not what you've perfected. Tip 2, use your voice. Don't try to sound like that influencer or business coach. Use your words. Be warm, be bold, be you. Tip 3, progress over perfection. Let your audience grow with you. Show up with your phone, your coffee, and your passion. Done is always better than perfect. Now, let's make your brand look as powerful as it feels. Tip number 1, choose your brand colors and fonts. Pick 2 to 3 colors that represent your vibe. Soft pastels, maybe bold jewel tones, whatever feels aligned. Stick to them everywhere. Tip 2, use tools like Canva. They really make branding so much easier. Plus, you can save templates that look pro even on a time crunch. Tip 3, align your profiles. Make sure your photos, your bios, your banners, and all your links match across Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and wherever else you show up. So, now you've got the tools to build a personal brand that's true to you and attracts your people. I want to hear from you. What tip helped you the most? Or what part of your brand are you working on right now? Drop a comment and let's talk about it. And if you're ready to go deeper, come and join me and other purpose-driven women inside the Empower Collective on Facebook. It's free, and you'll also get instant access to the 10-day Mindset Reset PDF. You don't have to do this alone. Let's rise and thrive together. Thank you for being here. Like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and share it with someone who needs encouragement today. You've got this.